Hi there, can you tell me who you are?
Yeah, hi, my name's Justin Parent.
Justin Parent. And where are you from, Justin?
Levittown, PA.
Levittown. Okay, you're pretty close by. We're in Fairless Hills, just a couple towns away. And you're in here today at B&B Automotive, and you just bought yourself a car.
Yes, I did.
How did it work out for you?
Process went amazing. It was excellent.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Very, very good.
I'm very happy.
Now, before we turn the camera on, tell me that although you haven't bought a car here before, your wife's family did.
Yes.
And they bought it, I guess, where? Tell me about that.
They bought it at this location.
Okay.
They did two separate cars here, and they were happy with it, so they recommended me to come here.
Very good. All right. And now you're happy, and you're going to recommend somebody else.
Absolutely.
We want to hear. That's great. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Where did you go to high school?
Truman.
Truman,
yeah,
okay.
Right there in Levittown.
In Levittown.
Yeah.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm currently about to start a new job as a tank wash manager at a trucking company.
Okay. What kind of are these the big tankers we see?
Yeah.
The big,
yeah.
What would they? You're washing the outsides or insides?
The insides of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
What would they likely contain? A tanker?
Food grade product.
Oh, okay.
Whether it be like corn syrup, orange juice, stuff like that.
All right. Oh, very good. That's great. It's interesting. I've never met anyone who does that for a living before. Justin, I almost forgot to ask you. Don't forget, today's the Eagles drawing for the tickets. Did you have you thought about that?
Oh, absolutely. It's the first thing I did when I got here. Go Eagles.
Fantastic. Glad to see you got your priorities straight, man.
Yeah, man.
Thanks again.
Thanks.